State University, La Paz. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're proud to present to you the first place, the top performing school, with a total number of examinees of 365, and 361 of them passed. With a rating percentage of 99%. Congratulations, University of Santo Tomas. And the Dean of the University of Santo Tomas, Dr. Maria Graciela G. Gonzaga. Republic of the Philippines, the Professional Regulation Commission, and the Board of Medicine conferred this Award of Excellence to University of Santo Tomas for having ranked first in the August 2010 Physician Licensure Examination with an exemplary passing percentage of 99% among all participating schools and universities, given this 5th day of September 2010 at the Plenary Hall of the Philippine International Convention, Rojas Boulevard, Manila. Once again, congratulations, University of Santo Tomas.